we've just acquired this top of the range Nissan X-Trail. It's the 7-seater diesel, low mileage, absolutely beautiful condition. So it's got the front park distance control. In addition to that, it's got rear park distance control and 360 camera. Absolutely lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, side steps. Electric tailgate. Seven seats in the back, they easily fold down. Just like that, ever so easy. So you can have lots of storage. 6 seats, 5 seats, how many seats you want, up to 7. Lovely colour. Keyless entry, keyless start, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, electric seats, full leather seats, electric tilt side panoramic sunroof, heated seats. You see it's done 29,658 miles only. It's got USB and aux, climate control, cruise control, lane assist, multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, 6-speed gearbox, absolutely fully loaded. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.